How can you contact MakeMyTrip support? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you contact MakeMyTrip support. So open your MakeMyTrip app on your device. First thing first, so from the home page, you want to go to MMT select at the bottom right. Or what you need is just go to the menu bar from the top right hand side corner. There you just want to go to, as you go to settings, you will be able to see a lot of options, right? There what you could also do is you could just go to my account section from the top, and you could find the option as help or support. If you cannot find one, then what you need is simply exit out, open up your browser, type in MakeMyTrip support customer care as well. There you can find the toll free number as well, and you could also go ahead and tap open the first link that pops up, and this is also where you will be able to contact them. So this way you're supposed to contact MakeMyTrip support. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.